Getting ready for tax season and need to know your investment profits? If finding your cost basis and tax lots in Fidelity is confusing, you're not alone. Today, we're locating your cost basis information. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Your cost basis is the original value of an investment for tax purposes. A tax lot is each purchase of shares at a specific price and date. Step 1. Access your positions. Log into your Fidelity account and go to your Positions or Balances page. Click on the specific stock or ETF you're interested in to see more details. Step 2. Find the Cost Basis or Tax Lots view. In the detailed view, look for a tab that says Cost Basis, Purchase History, or Tax Lots. This will show you each purchase lot with the date acquired, number of shares, and cost per share. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: choose your tax lot method before you sell. In your account settings, you can select a default disposal method like first in, first out, FIFO, or highest cost. Setting this up in advance gives you control over which shares are sold and can help you manage your tax liability. So, just like that, you can track your investment performance and prepare for tax time with confidence. Understanding cost basis goes a long way in being a tax-smart investor. Now I'm curious, which tax lot method do you prefer, FIFO, highest cost, or specific identification? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.